Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've not put anything out of late. It's been so busy. I know I keep saying it, but I'll tell you something, I've been working 7 days a week for the last month and a half, and it's trying to get a video out is a nightmare. Anyway, this week I'm going to have a bit of a rant, because I'm sure there's engineers out there who have come across this problem before. So, here comes the intro, and we'll talk about today's little issue. Right, so, today's little issue is these RJ45s. So, I've had a customer who says, our CCTV ain't working. We just had it installed, but the last company refused to come back. So I said, okay, I'll have a look for you. So got to site in a well-known company, and this is what I'll put up here, a bigger picture, okay, so you can see what it looks like. But if I can just, can you see? That's how they terminated them, okay, and that is unacceptable. The best one I could find, hold on, you'll love this. The best one I could find is this one here. Yet again, I'll put a photograph, but can you see? It's the outer sleeve is still not in the crimped area in the plug. That's the best one, all right? And there's 32 cameras. Yes, 32. 2 Saturdays I've had to replace these over. It's a freaking nightmare. So, obviously, someone doesn't know how to do RJ45s. So, I'll leave a link and a thing in the notes below on how to do that. So, if you're the idiot that did these ones, you can go there and have a look. But I'm sure I'm not the first or the last person to come across this. If you agree and you've had issues like this yourself, then put them in the notes below. I'd like to hear your stories. It'd be a good laugh. It can't be just me that comes across these things. So I know it's only a small one this week, but like I say, the last 2 Saturdays I've been fixing these, and I thought I'm doing a video on this because there's idiots out there. And please put notes below and your stories and how bad it's been. Anyway, guys, you take care now and don't do anything I won't. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, the usual bump. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. I think they forgot number 8 somehow. Look at that. Look at how it's not even crimped properly.